Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will show you how to remove or erase background in a photo on your iPhone. Yes, there are many websites available, but how you can remove this in your iPhone with the application. Okay, so let's see how to do it in your iPhone as well. So a simple way for this trick, I'll be using an application called Aftercut. Okay, many people don't know about this application, but it is a great application for you editing the photos. Once you open Aftercut in your iPhone, here there are multiple options given to you, and below tab there are 3 options given to you. One of them will be your cutout mode. So for us we require cutout, right? So just go ahead and tap on cutout mode. Once you do that, here you can do one thing. You can upload the photo or you can click the photo. So as per your choice, go ahead. So click on library to choose the photo from your camera roll. Okay, and here go ahead and from the gallery choose the photo which you want to cut out or remove the background. Once you choose the photo, here photo will be imported. Okay, and here simply to remove the background, okay, to remove the background you need to select the only photo. So just highlight the photo which you want to keep, the part of the photo which you want to keep. Okay, so here there are multiple options like a brush, scribble. Just choose scribble where it will automatically capture the image. Okay, just go ahead and just scribble over the image you want to keep like that, and automatically it will try to select or automatically try to choose the part that to keep. Okay, just do that. Once you do that, automatically you can see here. Also you can do it manually as well with a brush as per your own choice, but scribble works perfectly fine many times. Okay, so once you do that, now it is done. Whatever image you have chosen or is in red, that part will be kept only, another thing will be removed. If you see in a preview, only the part selected or brushed with the red color will be kept here. Okay, similarly you can choose which part to keep. Okay, you can use the brush as well to manually select the part. Like that you can easily erase the background of your photo in your iPhone with this trick. And here you have great control. You are editing photos or tools where you can use the scribble that they automatically choose the part, also brush to manually choose the part which you want to keep. Okay, like that there are multiple tools available like a shape, crop. Also you can choose that. You can easily erase the background of your photos in your iPhone with this trick. I hope it helped you. I hope it is a helpful video for you, and if yes, then guys please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.